Hello everyone, so if you want to use Face ID on your iPhone 14, well, first of all, open up your settings. Now make sure that you have your passcode. If you don't have, you need to set it up. Alright, now let's scroll down and find our Face ID and passcode tab in our settings. Now enter your passcode if you already have one set up. So now you have to choose where you want to use Face ID for example, iPhone unlock, contactless payments, iTunes and App Store, password autofill. So choose the options which are going to be suitable for you and you will be prompted to create it. So let's press setup Face ID, press get started, and now you need to position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. So you're to do that, press get started and simply do that. Alright, after you did it, you will be prompted to use Face ID with the mask. So if you have your mask on, you can use these options, or you can simply press setup later. Alright, press done. You can also set up an alternative appearance, which allows you to scan another face. And also you are prompted to choose what you can use it for. As I already said, you can reset it right here. You can choose whether require attention for Face ID or not. Also, you can turn your passcode off and simply use your Face ID. However, like this, your Face ID will be turned off too. And also you can turn off your stolen device protection, which adds up another layer of security. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.